Hey everybody, this is JimLiElevators. How's everyone doing? I'm sorry I've not been making so much videos lately this week because I've been really busy. I just got back from the homecoming football game today at Mercer Stadium, and it was a lot of fun. So today, I just want to make another announcement video because I just won my homecoming nomination, King. I have won a nomination for Homecoming King today at my high school, at Clements High School, today. And I just want to take this time and say a huge thank you to all the fine people at Clements High School. I want to thank my fine teachers, the principals, the staff, the faculties, and my close friends. I just wanted to say, Clements High School, thank you so much again for everything. I finally won my Homecoming King. And this is going to be so awesome. And you would not believe what's happening tomorrow. Like I said, when I made that other video like a week or two, I'm going to be going to the homecoming dance tomorrow. And this is going to be so exciting. And so what a better way to honor this epicness is why we show off some of the stuff that I got. About a week ago, one of my fine teachers made this. This right here is a Hawaiian necklace made out of papers. And guess what this says right here? Jim for King. That's right, Jim for King. Huge thank you to one of the fine special ed teachers for making this for me. This is so awesome. Thank you so much. And next, I also have a mom I just made. No, not I made, I'm sorry. This is a mom that one of my fine teacher made this for me. This is so awesome. I cannot believe I got my own mom. And I'm going to be wearing this to the homecoming dance tomorrow too. And you see right here, there's the school name. And there is my name right there as well. And not but at least, I also got my King ribbon. So yeah, I just want to take this time to say a huge thank you to Clements High School for everything. I want to thank my great friends, especially Carolyn. Carolyn Waite. I am mostly thankful to her because she's been so awesome to me and supportive friend of all. And I also want to thank my friends who are on volleyball team. I also want to thank the Stuco members. And I also want to thank anyone who has attended this. I also want to thank the DECA students as well. Thank you so much to all of you guys for all your awesome support to me. Y'all just really mean so much to me, and you're also really special to me too. So what a better way to honor you guys is something to represent Blue Out Day. Does this look familiar to you? You know what I mean, right? That's right. I'm going to show you off my ThyssenKrupp Signa4 elevator at the University Branch Library off on University Boulevard. And that is a better way to honor you guys. That's one of my favorite elevators here in Sugar Land, Texas. Now, when I push this button, we're going to teleport straight to the University Branch Library and take a round trip on the ThyssenKrupp Signa4 elevators. Before we go, I also want to thank to ThyssenKrupp Elevator Americas. ThyssenKrupp Elevator Americas, I know you're going to love this. I want to say to you, ThyssenKrupp Elevator Americas, you are a most special, loving people in our elevator community. And if you're not knowing this, I wanted to tell you, ThyssenKrupp Elevator Americas, that I won my Homecoming King. And you are going to love this. ThyssenKrupp Elevator Americas, I know you're going to love what's about to happen. So with that being said, let's push this button and here we go. Alright guys, wonder why we're holding up my ThyssenKrupp elevator coaster. By popular demand, we are here at the Fort Bend County Library University branch. And inside here is the ThyssenKrupp Signa4 elevator we're going to ride. There it is, the ThyssenKrupp Signa4 elevator. We're going to ride it. There's Big Brother watching. It's a very nice elevator. Here are your fixtures. Alright, we're gonna go to 2. Let's listen to the motor. Here we go. Let's go ring the bell. Let's go on 1. Door closed and push the button. I love that. We'll take it for a one more ride, full silent trip. These are your fixtures right here. They're ThyssenKrupp Signa4 fixtures. Now I'll go down one end. Let's ring the bell. Here it goes. And that's it.